we'll do vertical multiplication. We'll do vertical multiplication. So how to do it? You have to multiply. Here you have to multiply a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. What we are doing, we are multiplying here a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. If you will look at your first bit carefully, children, you can see that your first number is, in first bit, it is 3434 multiplied by 2. What is this? Number is 3434 multiplied by 2. Right? So now what we have to do is, we have to recall table of the number which is beside multiply sign. Okay? What we have to do, we have to recall the table of the number which is beside multiply sign. And then with that number, we have to multiply the number in ones place and the number in tens place. Okay? So in your first bit, and children, you should learn how to read the question. I'll ask you to read the question also. So your first question is 3434 multiplied by 2. 34 multiplied by 2. This is your multiplication symbol, right? So here beside this multiplication symbol, number is 2, right? So we'll recall table of 2. So first we will multiply this 2 with 4 in ones place, and then we will multiply this 2 with 3 in tens place. One by one we'll do it. Adya, please pay attention. So 2 fours are how much? 2 fours are, we know that 2 fours are 8. We know 2 table, 2 fours are 8. So we will write here 8 in ones place. Then we will multiply this 2 with the number in tens place. So 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 threes are how much? 2 threes are 6. So we will write that 6 in tens place. And children, you have to write it exactly how I am writing. You have to write this 8 in ones place and this 6 in tens place. Exactly below O and T. Adya, please sit down. And Adya, why you are not writing? So answer is 6868. This is page number 126 of your math textbook. I did it mathematics. Yes, Akshat. Akshat.
Mom, can you tell me the page number?
Akshat, just now I told the page number. This is page number 126. 126, okay, 126. Yes. Okay, now next. Adya, you read next bit. Second question.
1 3s are
wrong.
1 3.
Wrong.
3 1s are
wrong. First read the question.
Three ones are
Wrong.
3.
Wrong. Read the question. You were not paying attention, Adya. You were not at all listening. You were looking here and there. That's why you don't know how to read the question.
1 3s are 2.
Wrong. That's it. Aslan, you read second question. Second bit. Aslan. Aslan, are you there or not?
Yes.
Yes, Aslan, read second question.
2 1s are
Wrong.
21.
Yes, 21.
3s are
Wrong.
21 multiply.
Very good. 21 multiplied by
3.
Now this is correct. Children, you should know how to read the question first, then only you will be able to solve the question. Okay, Aslan? Okay, so beside this multiplication symbol, number is 3. Number is 3, so we will recall table of 3. So Aslan, 3 ones are
6.
3 ones are 6.
3 ones are 3.
Yes. So children, we will write in ones place 3. 3 ones are 3, and then we will multiply this 3 with the number in tens place. Now in tens place number is 2. So 3 twos are
3. 3 twos are 6.
Very good. So 3 twos are 6. So we will write 6 in tens place. So what is the answer, Aslan?
63.
Yes, answer is 63. Very good. So children, you will write this 6 in tens place and you will write this 3 in ones place. Okay. Now next question. Akshaj. Akshaj.
Ma'am,
Yes, read third question, third bit.
42 multiplied by 2.
Very good, very good. This is 4. Tanishka, pay attention. This is 42 multiplied by 2. Okay, so children, beside this multiplication symbol, number is 2. So we will recall table of 2. And now we will multiply this 2 with the number in ones place first, and then with the number in tens place. So here in ones place number is 2. Yes, Akshat. So what we'll write here? 2 twos are? Akshat, 2 twos are? Yes, 2 twos are 4. So we will write here 4 in ones place.
4.
Yes, and then 2 fours are? 2 fours are?
44, ma'am.
No, 2 fours are how much, Akshat? Wrong. 2 fours are 2 table. Come on. Akshat, recall 2 table and tell me 2 fours
8,
are.
ma'am.
Yes, 2 fours are 8. So we will write 8 in tens place. So what is the answer now, Akshat?
84.
Very good. So now answer is 84, 84. Yes, Supratik.
Ma'am, page number what,
Page
ma'am?
number 126 of your math textbook. 126, 126. Tanishka, read next question. Fourth bit.
4th bit.
Yeah.
71 multiply 1.
71 multiplied by 1. Very good, Tanishka. Now, children, see here with multiplication, beside multiplication symbol, number is 1. So, we will recall table of 1. So, 1 ones are how much, Tanishka? 1 ones are?
1.
1 ones are. Very good. And 1 sevens are?
1 7 is 7.
Very good, Tanishka. So, what is the answer?
17, ma'am.
No, no, no. It's not 17. Read it properly.
71, ma'am.
Very good, Tanishka. So, answer is 7171. Okay, good. AVK Ganesh,
Yes, ma'am.
read question number 5 quickly.
10 multiplied by 6.
10 multiplied by 6. Okay, very good. So now tell me what is the number beside multiplication symbol?
6.
Very good. So beside multiplication symbol number is 6, children. So we will recall table of 6. So 6 zeros are?
6 0.
Very good. Children, whenever we are multiplying any number with 0, answer is 0. So 6 zeros are 0. And 6 ones are?
6.
Very good. So we will write the 6 in tens place. Very good, AVK Ganesh. And children, remember one thing, that you should write the 6 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Okay. Proper space should be there. Proper gap. Akshaya Lakshmi, read question number 6, F bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
2 2s are 2.
Wrong.
2 2s are 4.
Akshaya, I said read the question.
1 says 2 2s are
Wrong. 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 This is not the right way to read the question. Akshay, you were not at all paying attention what I was telling. You were not at all listening.
2 2s are.
Wrong. This is not the correct way to read the question. Wrong. That's wrong. Yes, Ms. Ba. Do you have any doubt?
All the questions are the I will answer.
What?
I will answer.
Ms. Ba, I'll get back to I'll get back to you. Okay. Nobody should say that I will answer by raising hand. Everybody will get a chance. If not today, then tomorrow. Yes, Dhruti Reddy.
Mom, page number.
Dhruti, this is page number 126 of your math textbook. 126, 126. Yes, Shreyas. Shreyas.
Will tell ma'am.
What?
I will tell ma'am.
Shreyas, just now I said something to Ms. Ba. I'll repeat it for you that nobody will use raise hand option just to say that I want to answer. If you will do like this, I will not ask you. You should wait for your turn. Have some patience. P. Shreyan. P. Shreyan. P. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now read 6th bit. Question number F. And Akshaya Lakshmi, listen properly. Listen carefully how he will read the question. Yes.
22 multiply
22 multiplied by 2. Very good.
2.
Yes. So this is 22 multiplied by 2. Very good. This is correct. Now, beside this multiplication symbol, what is the number, P. Shreyan?
2.
2. Very good. So now we will recall table of 2. So 2 2s are
4.
2 2s are 4. Very good. So we will write 4 in ones place. Again, we will multiply this 2 with the number in tens place. Now the number in tens place is 2. So 2 2s are
4.
4. Very good. So now what is the answer?
44.
Very good. So answer is 4 4 44. That's correct. Dhriti Rati.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. G bit.
G bit.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 90 answer.
Read the question.
0,
Wrong.
30 multiplies 3.
30 multiplied by 3. How you will read?
Multiplied by 3.
Yeah. 30 multiplied by 3. Now tell me, beside this multiplication symbol, what is the number?
3.
3. So which number table we will recall?
3 table.
Very good. So 3 zeros are?
3 zeros are 0.
Very good. So we will write here 0 and 3, and then we will multiply this 3 with the number in tens place. So in tens place number is 3. So 3 3s are 9. Very good. So what is the answer?
90.
Answer is 90. Very good. That's the correct answer. Okay. Aditya Ram.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya, read bit H. H.
Bit at
Yes.
48.
Wrong. I said read the question. Don't tell me the answer directly.
Oh.
And 48 is not the answer. Yeah, read the question.
12 multiplied.
Wrong.
12 multiplied.
21.
This is 2121. H bit.
21 multiplied by 4.
Very good. So 21 multiplied by 4. Which number? By 4. Which number table we will recall?
4 table.
Very good. So 4 ones are?
4.
Very good. So we will write here 4 in ones place. Akshaya Lakshmi, I'll ask you again how to read the question. Listen carefully. Then 4 twos are?
4 to the right.
Very good. So we will write 8 in tens place. So what is the answer now?
84.
Very good. Now this is the correct answer. Yes, Akshaya Lakshmi, I bit.
I beat.
Read the question.
12 multiplied 4.
12 multiplied by 4. Now this is correct. Now tell me which number table we will recall.
4 table.
Very good. 4 table because 4 is the number beside multiply sign. So 4 twos are?
8.
Yes, 4 twos are 8. So we will write 8 in ones place. And then we will multiply this 4 with the number in tens place. So 4 ones are?
4 on
4 ones are 4.
We will write 4 in tens place. Answer is 4, 8, 48. Okay, that's the correct answer. RN, you read J bit.
10 multiplied by 5.
Very good. So this is 10 multiplied by 5. Now tell me which table?
5 table.
Very good. So we will multiply this 5 with the number in ones place first. In ones place number is 0. So 5 zeros are?
0.
Very good. So we will write 0 in ones place. And 5 ones are?
5.
5. So we will write 5 in tens place. So answer is 50.
50.
Very good. Very good, Arvind. So answer is 50. 50. That's the correct answer. Yes, children. So now, those who have completed this much, take out your math notebook now. Math notebook. Take out your math notebook quickly. And Shreyas, next is your turn. Take out your math notebook, everyone. Write date and classwork in your math notebook. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Nobody raised hand. Okay, I'm clearing all this now, children. Yes, I said take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Okay. Now, after writing date and classwork, children, leave one line and then write this. Question is, arrange in column and multiply. After writing date and classwork, you have to leave one line and then you have to write this. After writing date and classwork, again I'm repeating, you have to leave one line and then you have to write this. After writing this, children, you will leave one line. Okay. Yes, children, again I am telling you that after writing this, you have to leave one line and then you have to write your first bit. So, your question is, your first question is, that is your bit number A. This is 20. Again, I'm repeating, leave one line and then write 20 multiplied by 4. Write your first bit. This is 20 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now what you have to do is, write this question. This is 20 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now I'll draw here some lines. You will not draw any line here. Okay. I'll draw it just to show how your math notebook looks like and how you have to write this in your math notebook. Again, I'm repeating, you will not draw any lines in your math notebook. No need to draw any lines in your math notebook, children. I'll draw it just to show how your math notebook looks like. I'll tell you how you have to write in your math notebook, okay? And later on, I'll just give you instruction and you have to write it in a correct way. Okay. So in your math notebook, you have boxes, right? Square boxes are there. Now what you will do, again I'm repeating, you will not draw these lines in your math notebook. I have drawn these lines just to show you how your math notebook looks like. Okay. Now what you will do, children, you will write first, after writing this question, you will leave one line and then you will write this O in one box. This O stands for 1, and then in next box you will write here T, because T stands for tens. Okay. Now you have to multiply 20 with 4. You have to multiply 20 with 4. So what you will do? We'll write a 2-digit number first. We will write a 2-digit number first. So 2020 is a 2-digit number. So we will write that 20. We'll write the 20 first. So in tens place we will write here 2. And in ones place we will write here 0. Okay. Then after multiplication symbol number is 4. After multiplication symbol number is 4. So we will write that 4 in ones place because 4 is a 1-digit number. So we will write it in ones place. Yes, Triti Reddy?
Ma'am, where are you writing that?
You have to write this in your math notebook.
Okay.
Yes, Akshaj. Akshaj, you were raising your hand. Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, I got some technical issues, so I went out, ma'am. Out of the
Okay, Akshaj, no problem. You have to write this question in your math notebook. Okay?
Ma'am, is this the first question?
Yeah. This is the first question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, again, I'm repeating, you have to write this in your math notebook. Yes. Now what we will do, we will put a multiplication symbol. We will put a multiplication symbol. And remember, do not put this multiplication symbol in tens place. You will not put this multiplication symbol below 2. That is a wrong way. You will put this multiplication in a separate box. Again, I'm repeating, you all have to write like this only. Now, same method, you have to read the question first. Nityasri?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question now.
Ma'am,
20 multiplied.
80.
Wrong. Beside this multiplication symbol, what is the number?
0.
Wrong. Beside this multiplication symbol, number is 4. So this is 20 multiplied by 4. How you will read? Nityasri, I am talking to you. Now read this question. 20 multiplied by 4.
4.
Who will say multiplied? You are not at all paying attention, Nitya. Shreyas, read that question. Shreyas.
20 multiply
By?
20 multiply 4.
20 multiplied by 4. How you will read?
20 multiply 5, 4.
Very good. Now, Shreyas, which number table we will recall quickly?
4.
Very good. So 4 is the number which is beside multiplication symbol. So we will recall 4 table. 4 zeros are?
0.
We will write 0 in ones place, and 4 twos are?
8.
4 twos are 8. So we will write that 8 in tens place. So what is the answer, Shreyas?
80.
Very good. So answer is 8080. That's correct. Very good, Shreyas. Okay. Now next question, children. That is your second bit. What you will do, you will leave 3 boxes and then you will write your second bit. Children, I said leave 3 boxes and then write your second bit. 12 multiplied by 3. I'm writing here the question. This is 12 multiplied by 3. Okay. I'll tell you one more question, how to write this in your math notebook. Okay. Now again, we have to arrange these numbers in ones and tens column. Do not draw these lines or these boxes in your math notebook. Already there are lots of boxes. Again, what we'll do, we will write here O in one box. This O stands for ones. And then we will write T in another box. This T stands for tens. Okay. Now we will start writing. So this is 12 multiplied by 3. So our first number is 12. We will write 12 first because it is a 2-digit number. So we will write this 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. Then since 3 is a 1-digit number, we will write that 3 in ones place. And we will put multiplication symbol in a separate box. Do not put multiplication symbol in tens place. That's wrong. Ashwita Nalla, unmute yourself and read second bit.
12 multiplied by 3.
12 multiplied by 3. Okay, that's correct. Now, which number table we will recall quickly?
3 table.
3 table. Very good. So tell me 3 twos are?
6.
So we will write 6 here in ones place, and then 3 ones are?
3.
3. So we will write this 3 in tens place. So now what is the answer, Ashwita? Ashwita, answer is? Answer is 3, 6, 36, children. Answer is 3, 6, 36. And children, remember this thing that you have to draw here a line. After this multiplication symbol, no, you have to draw here a line. Draw your lines also. You have to draw here line. Answer is 3, 6, 36. Okay. Now next, I hope nobody is writing. Okay, children, so I am clearing all this now. Now, leave 3 lines and write your next bit. That is bit number C. 11 multiplied by 6. Yes, Anvika? Anvika, you need to unmute yourself. You were raising your hand.
I don't have place, ma'am.
Anvika, I said leave 2-3 lines. Downside you have to write now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, next question is 11 multiplied by 6. Right, next question. Now I will not draw any box or anything like that. You all know now how to write this in your math notebook. Okay? Yes. So what we will do? We will write again T for tens and O for ones. Then our first number is 1, 1, 11. So we will write 1 in ones tens place and 1 in ones place. Okay. Then our next number is 6, and 6 is a one digit number. So we will write that 6 in ones place, right? And multiplication symbol we will put in a separate box. Again, I'm repeating, you will not write this multiplication symbol below this 1 and 10's place. Okay, now write this question quickly. Yes, Akshaj? Akshaj?
Ma'am, what's the second bit, ma'am?
Second bit was 12 multiplied by 3.
Second question.
12 multiplied by 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, done. Fine. Yes, now, Misbah, you read next. Sorry, you read this question.
Meet kar le.
Supratik, are you writing?
11 multiplied by 6.
Yes, question is 11 multiplied by 6. Very good. So, which number table we will recall? Okay, Supratik, thank you.
6 ones are 6.
We will recall table of 6 because 6 is the number beside multiply sign. Okay, 6 ones are 6. Very good. So, we will write 6 in one's place. Then again, 6 ones are
6.
very good. So, answer is
66.
answer is 66. Very good, Misbah. Okay, now children again, leave 3 boxes and write your next bit. That is bit number D. This is $42. This is 42 multiplied by 1. Question is 42 multiplied by 1. Okay. Now again, we'll arrange these numbers in tens and ones column. So our first number is 4 to 42. We will write 4 in tens place and 2 in ones place. And always remember this thing, children. You will write a 2-digit number first. And after multiplication symbol, number is 1. So we will write 1 in ones place. Then after this, we will put a multiplication symbol. So we will put this multiplication symbol here beside 1, but we will not write this in tens place. Remember this thing. And children, don't forget to draw this line. 2 lines are there. You have to draw these 2 lines. Supratik? Supratik? Yes, read. Next question. Bit number D.
42 in
42?
42 into
Yes, 42 into?
1.
Very good. So this is 42 into, we can say 42 multiplied by 1 or 42 into 1. Both are correct. Now which number table we'll recall? Supratik.
1 to
Very good. So 1 2s are?
2.
So we will write 2 in ones place. Very good. And 1 4s are?
4.
Very good. So we will write 4 in tens place. So what is the answer, Supratik?
42.
Answer is 4 to 42. Very good. Yes, Akshaj? Yeah, Akshaj?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I do not have any doubt.
Then why you were raising your hand? Again,